everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So disclaimer, I feel like I do this every video, but I need to tell you I do have a bulldog and a baby in front of me at the moment. So if you do hear any noises out of the ordinary, that is what that is. So today, super exciting video. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be a new sneaker reveal and also a review as well. So as you can tell, this is the company that I purchased these shoes from. So this is End Clothing, END Clothing. I'm not sure exactly how you pronounce it. I've never ordered off this website before, but I was searching one night because my previous Adidas UltraBoost shoes, the sole had completely split, so I needed shoes. There was a particular, why did that go so blurry? There was a particular shoe that I was after ages ago. I completely forgot about it and then remembered when I needed to purchase new shoes. So when I saw the shoe that I was after come up, I was super excited. They were on sale as well, which even better. But they were on this website and I was Googling, is this a scam website? My husband or no one I knew had actually purchased from this site before, so it was definitely a risk, but they arrived. So this is how the package looks. It was in like a mailing bag as well, but I do like how they ship in boxes, and then when you open it they have the actual just shoe box in there as well. So also it will come with this little envelope here, which just has your receipt. It has a business card, and I assume that's the person who packed the order. So I did purchase these late last year, so I don't know if they're still available. But just for reference, if you are shopping on this website, the SKU number is GZ044715. They are the Adidas UltraBoost 5.0 DNA in the ecru and turbo color, if that makes any sense to you. So this is the shoe box that they arrived in. I actually didn't realize that Adidas is actually into helping the environment now. So their shoes are actually made with plastics, which, like, not just plastic, they're made with like what's it called? It's called made with Parley ocean plastic. So they get the plastic out of the ocean, they don't just make it, and then they recreate shoes, which I really love. So really nice boxes. That's what it looks like. So again, this is the details on the shoe. Now, sizing, somehow, I did order these late at night, but the sizing, I don't get it. I ordered a, what size? I ordered a US 7.5. Now, I don't understand sizing with UltraBoost, to be honest, which I will get into in a second. And inside you just get the paper. Obviously the shoes are wrapped in it, but I have them here because I have worn them. So this is the shoe. How beyond stunning is it? Like, I am like really into muted shoes. I don't like color or anything like that, so these were so perfect. Now if you are looking for this shoe, can I just add, this bit and these bits actually glow in the dark, which, oh, I did not realize. I don't love that, but in saying that, they don't seem to last too long, which is good. So if you're going like from day to night situations, they're super bright, but then they will fade quite quickly. So yeah, I as I said, I'm just super confused with the sizing because this is my third pair of UltraBoosts. They are all different styles, which I have in front of me, which I will show you. So hang on. This is my last shoe. Like I said, like, look at the sole. So I absolutely wore these to death. I don't know the names of each of these shoes, but like I said, this shoe is a US 7.5. That one, the new one. They're actually a lot more similar than I thought. This one, my previous one, is also a 7.5, which is so the same, but then this is a UK 6, the new one, and then this is a UK 7. So I do not understand. And then my other pair, which are super, super worn, they are a US 8 and a UK 6.5. So I don't understand it. I find these fit perfect. These ones are really oversized, and then the new ones do fit. However, they are quite tight around this area. So I have definitely taken the inner sole out and tried that way, but I find the shoe itself is just not as comfortable. So for me, I just leave it in, and unfortunately they're just quite tight above here. So that is my new shoe. If you have not tried UltraBoost, I 100% recommend it. Although everyone's foot's so different. So I've tried the ASIC Quantum 360s. I don't like them. The APL, I think they're Techloom Pros. Do not like them. And Adidas UltraBoost is just my forever shoe. They just work. So I absolutely love them. Let me know your thoughts. If you like this colorway, if you have this, if you have UltraBoosts, if you have UltraBoosts that are all different sizes, I still don't understand that. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.